Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a cook and clean with me, a very relaxing after dark cleaning routine. So we're gonna have some relaxing music and I want you guys to light your candles and clean along with me, or just sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and hopefully this will give you some inspiration to do some cleaning and some cooking. Thank you to Blue Apron for coming through with the sponsorship. Blue Apron is here for you with stress-free recipes delivered to your door for easy, delicious meals at home. And be sure to check out this week's menu using the link in the description box below. The first 100 people to sign up with my link will get $60 off over their first 3 boxes of Blue Apron. So be sure to check it out. Tonight we're going to be making Japanese beef and rice bowls with roasted broccoli and carrots, and I'm going to take you guys along just to show you how easy and simple the recipes are. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is wash and dry the produce, which we've already done, and then you want to start peeling the carrots in half and then also discarding the bottom half of the broccoli. So that's what we're doing now. Once you've done that, you want to chop up some onions and thinly slice some scallions. And you want to make sure that you preheat your oven on 450 and go ahead and add the broccoli and the carrots to a sheet pan. You want to top the vegetables off with a little drizzle of olive oil and use your seasoning of choice. I'm using the Mrs. Dash seasoning. And you want to roast the vegetables for about 20 minutes until they're really nice and tender. And now we're going to combine a few things in a bowl. So you need soy glaze, soy sauce, vinegar, scallions, and 1/3 cup of water.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.
You also want to start cooking your rice, and once it starts boiling, you just want to reduce the heat, cover and cook without stirring for about 12 to 14 minutes.
Kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on.
And now we're going to start cooking the beef. So before you start cooking it, you just want to place it on a paper towel and pat it dry. And you also want to add the cornstarch and make sure that you toss it in that. And we drizzled a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and now we're just cooking until it's brown. We're also going to add a few onions to it.
I'm on hiatus, baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
And after adding the sauce, you want to continue to cook for another minute or so. Just make sure that the beef is fully cooked.
Don't take it personal, we just built.
And that's the finished meal. It turned out really great. It was so good. And don't forget, the first 100 people to sign up with my link will get $60 off over their first 3 boxes. So definitely be sure to check that out. And again, big thank you to Blue Apron for sponsoring this video.
Look like you always be working.
So after dinner, I wanted to get everything nice and clean so that I could wake up to a clean house the next morning. So I started off with the dishes, and I just decided to hand wash them because there wasn't that many.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove. Baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see. Bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you.
And now that the dishes are clean, I'm gonna start putting some stuff back in its place. We still had a lot of stuff sitting out, just things we used while we were cooking. So I'm just gonna put everything back where it goes.
Stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see. Bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows is part of being human.
Now that everything is put away, I'm gonna wipe the countertops down, and I'm using this Pledge multi-surface cleaner. It's in the fragrance lavender, and it smells really nice. It just gives your kitchen a really clean fragrance. But to clean the stove, I'm actually using the Awesome Cleaner just because I needed something that was gonna be more like a degreaser, because our stove always gets really greasy whenever we cook. So I have to make sure that I'm using something that's gonna cut all the grease.
That working out my issues with you, with you. Don't listen to the
I got a few questions about this candle holder in my last Clean With Me video. I got this from Home Goods. I'll see if I can find something similar anywhere online, but I really love the candle holder. It's super cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down this countertop as well.
only your heart can.
And earlier today, Uriah decided to put his fingerprints all over the refrigerator, so I knew I was gonna have to clean it, and I'm using the Sprayway stainless steel cleaner, and y'all, it is so good. So if you're looking for a stainless steel cleaner, definitely try that one. Since we have the wood table, we don't have to clean it too much, but I am using this orange glow to clean it tonight, and a lot of you recommended this. Also, the Murphy oil spray, I wasn't able to find it online anywhere, but a lot of you also recommended that one as well, but I think they're kind of one and the same. But now I'm just picking up in Uriah's play area. This is where he spends most of his time during the day. We keep all of his toys here, so we always like to make sure that we pick up this space at the end of the day. Gonna do a little wipe over on Uriah's table set. I like to do this just so that it's clean for the next day. I also needed to clean the windows. I know you can't tell in the video, but Uriah also had his fingerprints on the windows, so I just wanted to go ahead and clean those. Needed to pick up in our living room, family room, whatever you want to call it. We really do spend a lot of time in here, so I do like to make sure that I'm picking it up pretty often. And we have these little tables that we like to use if we're gonna eat in here or anything like that. We do spend a lot of time in here, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff everything on the couch and make it look nice and neat. Gonna take my Sprayway glass cleaner and just clean off this coffee table and also the end tables. And now I'm just gonna go over all the floors with the vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna start in the kitchen and then I'll make my way to the living room area.
Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face, yeah. Every single day just stays the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself. They say.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, for all of your love and support. I truly appreciate it, and thank you to Blue Apron for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in checking them out, there will be a link in the description box, and the first 100 people to click the link will get $60 off of their first 3 boxes of Blue Apron. So definitely check that out, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.
Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel the emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup